girls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Forum. I usually take you on my travel adventures, explore food, share self-care tips, and honestly just keep things real. And today's video, let's just say it's one of those self-care episodes with just a little twist. Okay, I need all my girlies, like literally all my girls, my women of the world, to gather around because I may have found just the most extra gadget on the internet. Like Dyson, who? This thing out here is vibrating, thrusting, licking, and warming up. I mean, at this point, I feel my phone is underperforming. And no, before you start guessing, this isn't a new face tool or hair gadget. This is a whole different kind of glow up. Alright, let me introduce you to the main character of today's story, Maestro by Mischief. Now, if you've ever thought, why don't pleasure products feel as premium as the rest of my life? Mischief heard you loud and clear. They build a reputation for making products that are elegant, discreet, and completely unapologetic about pleasure. And Maestro, she's not just a massager, she is an experience. Okay, picture this. 10 vibration patterns, 10 licking patterns, and 3 thrusting speeds. A warming function that mimics real touch, and a design that would sit next to your luxury skincare and nobody would know. Let's start with what arrives at your doorstep because trust me, this is a big deal for a lot of us. The delivery is discreet. No awkward branding, no screaming labels. Nothing that makes your neighbor suspicious. Just a plain minimal box. And inside, you will find the Maestro itself, a magnetic USB charging cable, no weird ports, just click and go. A user manual with all the details you need, and a soft satin pouch, which by the way makes traveling with it a breeze. Even the inner packaging feels premium. I've had skincare gadgets that didn't come this well packed. Okay, first impressions, it is crafted from premium liquid silicone which is body safe and ridiculously smooth. No plasticky feel, no cheap finish. Just that luxe velvety touch you would expect from something to pamper you. It's got this matte, almost velvety finish that feels luxe against the skin. Lightweight and ergonomic like, you can hold it comfortably without feeling like you're holding a gym equipment. And here's where it gets fun. Maestro is not your basic on and off toy. It does it all. It's got 10 vibration patterns, 3 thrusting speeds, 10 licking patterns, and a warming feature that heats up to 42 degrees Celsius. That means not only does it give you variety, it also mimics real warmth. So the experience is more natural and less battery operated. This is one of the rare ones that really multitask without feeling like a gimmick. So let's break this down without getting all techie because honestly, who even has time for that? Waterproof? Oh yes, fully. Which means you can take Maestro in the shower, let it join you for a warm bath, or even keep it handy on those rainy days when you just want to stay in and pamper yourself. No worries about splashes or drips. It's sealed tight. So the fun doesn't have to stop when the water starts running. Battery life is around 90 minutes on a full charge. Now, unless you're planning on a full-blown marathon session, that's plenty. Honestly, if you're gonna go beyond that, you deserve a standing ovation. Charging is magnetic, super sleek. Just snap it on like you would with a smartwatch. No poking around with like tiny ports. No, is it in the right way? Using it couldn't get simpler. A little bit of water-based lube to make it smooth. Pick like your favorite mode or speed and that's it. Just let Maestro do its thing.
Here's how basically you can use it. Hold the power button for 1.5 seconds to turn on or off the massager and press the power button to change the buzzing pattern. Hold on the second button for 1.5 seconds to turn on or off the up and down motion and press the same button to change its speed. Hold the third button for 1.5 seconds to turn on or off the caressing motion and press the same button to change its pattern. Hold the second and third buttons together until the red light is on for the heating function and repeat the same actions to turn off the heating.
Cleanup is as quick as the setup. Warm water and mild soap. Just a gentle rinse. Pat it dry and tuck it into the satin pouch that comes with it. Seriously, this thing is lower maintenance than my skincare routine. And yes, it comes with a 6-month warranty, so if anything goes wrong, you are sorted. Can't say the same about some of my past relationships though. So, final verdict, is the Mischief Maestro worth it? Honestly, yes. She's stylish, powerful, waterproof, quiet, she warms up, she trusts, she caresses, she does everything except make me breakfast. This is hands down the most extra massager I've ever seen, and I'm not mad about it. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Write your own pleasure story. Visit mischief.in and claim your pleasure today. Because skincare isn't the only glow up that matters. And on that note, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Bye.